In this video, we'll look into how to remove duplicates from a set of data. So let us create a set of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'll create a duplicate, and then 5, 6, I'll create a duplicate for 7, and then 8. So we got data from A1 to A10, and there are two duplicates, 4 and then this 7. Now let us see how we can remove these duplicates. Now let us go to the developer tab and go to Visual Basic, insert module, create a subroutine lst, and here we'll take the range from A1 to A10 dot remove duplicates, and then we have to give the columns is equal to 1 because it's the first column, comma, header is equal to XLS. So now we'll execute this. So let us check the data first. We have 4 a duplicate, 7 a duplicate. So go to the code. Now we'll execute it. Run. Now let's go back to the Excel. See that we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these two rows have been deleted. 4 duplicate and 7 duplicate have been removed. So this is one of the ways how we can remove duplicates from a set of data. Now instead of deleting the duplicate rows, we'll just highlight the duplicate rows. So let us delete this part of the code. We'll write the code to highlight the duplicates. So let us go back to the Excel spreadsheet. We'll recreate those duplicates. They are deleted in 4, and here it will be 5, 6, 7, 7 duplicate again, and then 8. So we got 4 duplicate and 7 duplicate. We'll highlight them using the code. So let us write the code. Dim x as range, dim r as range, set r is equal to our range A1 to A10. A1 to, now for each x in R, if worksheet function dot countif. Countif takes these two arguments are given, one as range or comma x dot value, whatever dot value at that point is greater than 1, then x dot interior dot color will give a color code so that it will highlight that cell. So is equal to RGB, and color code for red is 255, 0, 0. So we'll end this if, then for next. Okay, now we'll run this code. Run it. Now let's go to the Excel spreadsheet. You can see 4 has been highlighted with red color and 7 has been highlighted with red color. So in this data set, we know these two are duplicates. So if you just want to highlight the duplicates, you can write this code. We have set the range for R from whatever our data set from A1 to A10, and for each x in R, worksheet function dot count if or comma x dot value is greater than 1, that is if it is a duplicate, then x dot interior dot color we are giving it a red color code because RGB 2500 is red color. So that's how we can highlight the duplicates in a dataset in VBA. Now we'll look into how to remove duplicates when there are multiple columns. So let us delete this code. So I'll go to the spreadsheet. We have this data. This is the state and this is the, let me create the header. This is the city and this is the state. So we have Portland in Maine and Portland in Oregon. We have Nashville in Tennessee, Nashville in Indiana, and Springfield in Illinois, Springfield in Oregon, and Portland in Oregon, and Nashville in Indiana. So here we have two duplicates. It should be because same two different states can have the same city name, but if both the city name and the state are the same, then that will be a duplicate. So in this case, the 8th record Portland is Oregon, and here the 3rd record Portland, Oregon. This is a duplicate. So we should consider both the columns. Both the columns are same, then it's a duplicate. Similar is the case with Nashville, Tennessee, Nashville, Indiana, and then Nashville, Indiana here. The 4th row and the 9th row. So only if both the columns are compared, then if both are same, then we can consider it as a duplicate record and we should delete it. We shouldn't delete Portland in Maine state because it is not a duplicate. Though Portland repeats, the state doesn't repeat. So let us go back to the Visual Basic and we will give the active sheet dot user range dot user range will give us the range of cells where there is data. Dot remove duplicates columns is equal to, we got array of columns. So array 1 comma 2, first and second column, comma header is equal to x l s. So now let us run this. Now let us go to the spreadsheet. Now you can see Portland, Maine, Portland, Oregon, Nashville, Tennessee, Nashville, Indiana, and Springfield, Illinois, and Springfield, Oregon. So two duplicates have been removed, Portland, Oregon, and then Nashville, Indiana. Those two are the duplicates which we have given previously. Those two have been removed. So this code active sheet dot user range is the range of data where the data exists in the spreadsheet in the active sheet. Dot remove duplicates column, we have to give the array of columns because we are comparing both the columns, array 1 2 and header is equal to s. Now let us do a little bit change in the code of user range. We have these A and B columns, so we can say range A B dot remove duplicates and rest of the thing is same. Let's recreate those duplicates there. So here I'll write Portland and then Oregon. So we have Portland, Oregon here and Portland, Oregon. here, and Nashville, Indiana also I will recreate. Nashville, Indiana. So we have Nashville, Indiana here, Nashville, Indiana. So we have these two duplicates. So if these two duplicates are removed, then we'll have 7 rows. So let us go back. So we have made this instead of user range, we are given the range A and B. A is to B. Now let us run this code. Run. Now let us go to the spreadsheet. These 8th and 9th rows have been deleted and we have only 7 rows now. So we can as well use the user range here or give the actual range A and B, whatever the columns are, and thus the code will remain the same and those duplicates will be removed. Please subscribe, share and comment.